Hi, I'm Ian Luff coming to you from Maurluan Motorsport Park. Today is a day with a difference. It's an event at club roots, in other words going right back to the basics. It's supported by the Canberra Light Car Club, and it's also an initiative of our Taking Speed Off the Roads campaign. How does it work? You're supposed to spend no more than $1,000 on a car, so grab a cheapie, put some safety equipment in, some good brake pads and things like that, and throw some talent behind the wheel, and 2 hours of driving. You're allowed to have up to 4 drivers per vehicle. In this case, we're running 3. The guy behind the camera, none other than Stewart, Nicholls, and his brother, Andrew. Andrew's prepared the car. He's pretty well prepped with those kind of things. So it's going to be pretty exciting. We've just done out in some qualifying. I'm not sure how we've gone, but it's a great little circuit down here and it offers a lot of opportunity. How does it work? Simply, someone starts, a rolling start, we go round. You are not allowed to drive more than 15 minutes per person. That is strict. Pit stops are limited to 90 seconds, so if you break out with electronic timing, it's going to cost you a lap. Also, something very unique, they set a predetermined lap, in this case 49.9 seconds. Anything under that, you get a warning. Second warning, and it's like baseball, 3 strikes you're out, and you cop a 4-lap deficit at the end. So it's 2 2-hour races with a 1-hour lunch in between. I'll come back to you a little bit later in the broadcast and we'll see how we go. I'm going to be starting the race and it's going to be pretty exciting. So Ian Luff coming to you from Maurluan Motorsport Park.
tyre made a difference then? I reckon.
They say that patience is a virtue. In endurance racing, to finish first you have to finish. What can I say? Team Nicholls put a fantastic car together with the support of our campaign, Taking Speed Off the Roads. We managed to finish in 3rd place outright, which is a pretty good achievement. Had a huge amount of fun. As we said, club level motorsport is what it's all about. If you have a need for speed, why don't you consider joining our car club and follow in our footsteps? I can assure you it's a real aerobic workout. And the best part of all, can you believe right at this very minute my son Warren Luff is racing around the Gold Coast in a V8 supercar. I've got the trophy, hopefully he can bring one home too. Anyway, as we said, take speed off the roads, do it in the right environment on the racetrack, not on the public roads.